In this video, we cover in detail the Audio Expert System Global Toolbar. We will show how the various toolbar controls interact with other portions of the Audio Expert System window, which is your working environment when using the Expert System. The window has four major areas: the Global Toolbar, the Wave Panel, the Event Timeline, and the Event Table. Details of the Wave Panel, Event Timeline, and Event Table are covered in separate videos. For this demonstration of the Global Toolbar, we have loaded a capture file containing 3 audio streams. Stream 1 is a cell phone streaming a Christmas carol in stereo using the SBC codec. Stream 2 is that same cell phone streaming a phone call that interrupts the music. The codec is CVSD. Stream 3 is another stream using CVSDC codec. To minimize scrolling, and in the interest of time, we will focus on Stream 1 and Stream 2. Let's take a look at Stream 1 Wave Panel. Here we see the entire audio stream. If you click anywhere in the stream, you will see a play cursor that is a white vertical line. Notice that regardless of which wave panel you click in, the play cursor will appear in all wave panels at the same location and time. All wave panels are synchronized in time. The Global Toolbar buttons and controls simultaneously affect all of the wave panels. On the left of the panel are the play cursors that include the home control, the play pause control, the end control, and the loop control. Clicking on the home control moves the play cursor to the beginning of the audio stream. Clicking on the end control moves the play cursor to the end of the audio stream. Clicking on the play pause control will begin playing the audio stream from the current position of the play cursor, and the audio can be heard. Clicking on the control again will pause the playback. Clicking and dragging on the waveform creates a selection. The selection is outlined in blue. On the Global Toolbar, click on the loop control. The stream will begin playback only within the selection and will loop continuously until you click on the loop control again. Also, you can use the play pause control while the playback is looping. The next set of controls in the Global Toolbar are the horizontal zoom out and the horizontal zoom in controls. These controls lengthen or shorten the time span shown in the wave panels. Taking a look at the waveform in Stream 1, if we click on the horizontal out, we can see more of the waveform. Clicking on the horizontal zoom in will show the waveform in greater detail. Again, note that all wave panels are affected. To the right of the Global Toolbar zooming controls are the volume controls. These controls mute, decrease, or increase the audio being heard during playback. Clicking on the mute control will silence the audio but will not stop the playback. The play cursor will continue to move across the waveform. Clicking on the volume down control will incrementally decrease the audio volume. Clicking on the volume up control will incrementally increase the audio volume. Next on the Global Toolbar are the bitrate overlay controls. The average bitrate overlay will overlay on the waveform display a graph of the average bitrate. The average is based on a 100 millisecond moving window. A bitrate graph will appear in each wave panel. The actual bitrate overlay displays a graph of the instantaneous bitrate for the audio stream in each wave panel. When the bitrate controls are active, a bitrate scale appears on the right of each wave panel waveform display. This scale is in kilobits per second. On the Global Toolbar right side are three more controls. First is the Export Data control that lets you export selected wave panel audio data in various formats. You can also export the event table data. When you click the Export Data control, a Save As window opens. You enter a name for the exported files at this time. Next, the Export Audio Data window will display the name you entered. You can edit the name at this time. The window will show all streams. You can select individual streams for export or check Select All to export all streams. Now you select the type of data that you want to export. Encoded audio data has the file extension .raw. Decoded audio data is in a .wave format. You can export the event table in a comma-separated variable format that is usable in Microsoft Excel or Word, for example. If you have made a selection in a wave panel, you have the option of exporting only the data from the selected area. After you click on OK, you will receive confirming messages and progress bars. To the right of the Export Data control is the Help button that will open a help window. The help provides detailed information about the Audio Expert system. The last Global Toolbar control on the far right is the Collapse Expand control. Clicking on this control will collapse all wave panels. Clicking again will expand all panels.